My name is Kusma Arti. 7th standard. School name GMHPS School Kanamadgu.
The quarrel. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was light, the end of it was wrong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. We hated one another, the afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come on, we can go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. So he was in the right. Elena Fraser, thank you.